Do you want to know how you can log into your Ventura Conti payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Ventura Conti payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser and search for Ventura Conti payroll, and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Country of Ventura Human Resource / Payroll page. So this is how you can log into your Ventura Conti payroll. Go ahead and write down your user ID on the first box. After you've written down your user ID in the first box, move to the second box and write down your password. Make sure to check your password by clicking on this icon before you click sign in, and you will log into your Ventura Conti payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, click on this link and a reset mail will be sent to you by Ventura Conti, and then you can easily reset your password. I hope this video about how you can log into your Ventura Conti payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.